everybody, and it's time for another game. So this one is actually pretty simple. So we're just going to kind of explain it to you. I don't think we have to go into any examples or anything like that. This will be definitely a game that you'd want to play with somebody. So maybe a brother or a sister, maybe one of your parents, or again, maybe you want to go online with one of your classmates and find them, and you guys can have a little challenge with each other. And so what you're going to do is you're going to create a scavenger hunt. Now, I'm sure many of you know what a scavenger hunt is, but if you don't, what it is you're going out and you're scavenging items. Okay, so you're going out to find items. So if you want to play with somebody, what you do is you both make a list of probably 10 items, but you can make a few more if you want, you can make a few less if you want. But you make a list of these items, and then you time somebody going to get these items. Now, if you're playing with somebody in your own house, you're both going to kind of know what's around the house, so you're going to want to be, careful of what you pick. Try not to pick the same thing as somebody else. Maybe make something a little bit harder. You could probably even go out in the yard or something like that if you have one. If you're playing with somebody online, now you're trying to think a little outside of the box. So you want to make sure you're fair with somebody, so you want it to be what would normally maybe be in a house. But you might want to challenge it a little bit by adding a little bit of a challenge of a color to it or something like that. We're not going to ask somebody to go out and get a pink polka dot elephant, because we pretty much know that there's probably not one out there. And if there is, I'm sorry to that person that has it, okay? But we want to do something that could be, an example would be like a red piece of thread, okay? Or a tennis ball, or a golf ball. Something that would be an item that probably would be in somebody's house, but they might have to go and dig for it a little bit, or go find it in a closet, which would make them take a little extra time, and then maybe your list, you can go a little bit faster. So the idea is to come up with some really great ideas, share it with a friend. That's definitely a challenge that you want to do, and have a great time with it, all right? We'll see you soon.